It's Friday, February 9th, and your stories today are Binance halts trading, Japan's FSA continues its crackdown, and an ECB minister that's desperate to put his foot in his mouth. Hello world, welcome back to The Comment. For your first story today, Binance, the world's second largest crypto exchange by volume, is experiencing some technical difficulties. The exchange halted trading after a server issue caused a problem with its database, forcing a resync. CEO Changpeng Zhao chimed in on Twitter to help ease concerns, saying, quote, "We experienced a server issue on our replica database cluster, causing some data to be out of sync. Need to fully resync from master. Due the size of the data, it will take several hours. No data is lost. We appreciate your understanding and support," end quote. According to estimates provided by Binance on their Twitter account, the exchange is hoping to resume operations by 8 p.m. Pacific time, Friday, February 9th, so tonight. ETHNews will be following up on the story, so be on the lookout for updates. In other news, Japan's financial regulator is looking to continue on-site checks of several cryptocurrency exchange operators in the upcoming weeks. The efforts seem to be focused on services who are particularly vulnerable to cyber attacks and stems from the recent CoinCheck hack that resulted in $350 million being stolen. Because of the hack, the FSA announced that it will now investigate the other 31 cryptocurrency exchanges in Japan for security gaps. It ordered them to submit a report on their system risk management and storage of cryptocurrencies, and said it would follow up with on-site checks if it found vulnerabilities. According to the reports, the FSA was unsatisfied with those reports and is now looking to investigate in person. And lastly, it looks like central banks are finally coming to terms with the reality of cryptocurrencies. Various representatives from central banks around the world got together in Frankfurt, Germany to discuss the potential impact that crypto has on world economies. ECB Executive Board member Yves Mersch, who time and time again has painted cryptocurrencies out to be a fad, has finally taken a minute to crunch the numbers and is now switched into full panic mode. Wait a minute, you mean to tell me they had a point this whole time? Yes, we did. Mersch clarified his stance on cryptocurrencies, noting that at this point, the cryptocurrency world has crossed over to the fiat world enough to potentially affect existing financial markets, and that central banks need to prepare for potential collapse. Everyone grab your boring flamethrower. The zombie apocalypse is upon us. Oh no, wait, it's just distributed ledger technology. Man, some people really hate change. Mersch needs more information before he can come up with a game plan for FinTech Armageddon or FinTech-ageddon. He says that ECB needs more information before and stated, quote, "For me, one obligation would already be to force the unregulated platforms to report transactions in a harmonized way to repositories so that we would have access to information," end quote. Correct me if I'm wrong here, but isn't that what blockchain does? You know, a distributed ledger that records everything and is open to all? I guess you do need a little more information. Only time will tell how central banks are going to deal with cryptocurrencies, but experts are betting that the topic is going to be prominently featured in the upcoming G20 meeting of finance ministers and central bank chiefs in Argentina this March. That's our comment for the day, but what do you think? Will central banks handle cryptocurrencies correctly? How will things unfold for Japan? Were you affected by Binance trading shutdown? And who's hiding out in a bunker for crypto-geddon? Let me know. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to leave a comment. Join me back here on The Comment as I catch you up on the latest in Ethereum and Blockchain. If you like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. If you didn't like this episode, let me know by clicking the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you get all the newest episodes of The Comment as they air by clicking that alert button. That's that bell-looking thing next to the word subscribe. If you missed our latest episodes, you can catch up on ETHNews.com or on YouTube, or just subscribe so you don't miss them anymore, silly. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram at ETHNewsy. That's at ETHNewsSy. And we'll see you next time.